Can you actually build a trading career starting with just $2,000 in today's market? Most traders fail within their first 90 days because they treat a small account like a trip to Las Vegas. They gamble on high-risk options and ignore the math. Today, we change that. Welcome to day one of the Robinhood Small Account Challenge. I have deposited exactly $2,000 into this account. Our goal is to scale this to $10,000 using discipline, mechanical strategies, and a specific cash account framework that bypasses the PDT rule. In this video, I'm showing you my exact settings, the specific stocks on my watch list, and a live breakdown of my first trade of the challenge. This isn't about getting rich quick, it's about getting rich correctly. Part 2. The Robinhood Setup, Bypassing PDT. Visual. Script. Before we take our first trade, we have to address the elephant in the room, the pattern day trader rule. If you use a margin account with under $25,000, you are limited to 3-day trades a week. For a small account, that restriction makes it nearly impossible to learn or grow. To win this challenge, I am using a Robinhood Cash Account. Thanks to modern settlement rules, your cash now clears the very next business day. This means if I use $1,000 to buy a stock today and sell it, that money is back in my account tomorrow morning. This gives us unlimited day trades as long as we use settled cash. I will walk you through the settings menu so you can toggle this and avoid the PDT trap forever. Part 3. The Scalping Strategy. Visual. Script. With a small account, we aren't looking for home runs. We are looking for consistent base hits. My primary strategy for this challenge is the 15-minute opening range breakout. I wait for the first 15 minutes of the market to establish a clear high and a clear low. I only enter a trade if the price breaks that range on significant volume. To filter out false breakouts, I use two key indicators: the VWAP, which represents the average price paid by all traders, and the 9 EMA, which tracks immediate momentum. If the price is above both and we break that opening high, we have a high probability setup that we can execute with confidence. Part 4. Live Trade Walkthrough Visual. Script. Let's look at a setup on NVIDIA. The market opened with a gap up following recent global economic news. NVIDIA established a range between $125 and $128. Notice how the price is hugging the 9 EMA, showing that buyers are stepping in on every minor dip. I'm entering here with $500, exactly 25% of my account. I'm not over-leveraging the whole 2,000 because one bad move would end this challenge on day one. Look at that push. We've hit our first profit target. I'm selling half my position to lock in gains and moving my stop loss to my entry price to ensure this trade cannot become a loser. This is how you protect a small account. By the time I exited, the move resulted in a $40 profit. That is a 2% gain on the total account in just a few minutes. That is the power of compounding in action. Part 5. Psychology and Risk Management Visual. Script. The reason most people blow their accounts isn't a bad strategy. It's bad psychology. When you have $2,000, a $40 loss feels significant. You might feel the urge to double down or revenge trade to win it back. My rule for this challenge is absolute. I will never risk more than $40 or 2% of my total account on a single trade. If I lose 2 trades in a row, I am done for the day. No exceptions. Trading is a game of survival. If you can stay in